standard 10, gravitation and gravity. Satellites. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth, a man-made object which orbits around the earth is called an artificial satellite. They have many uses like collecting and relaying information, weather forecasting, conducting scientific experiments, etc. The final path which a satellite revolves around the earth is called the velocity of a satellite. The final path which a satellite revolves around the sun, around the earth, is called orbit. The velocity of a satellite in an orbit is called orbital velocity. Depending on the orbit, a satellite can be classified as a polar satellite or geostationary satellite. The distance of the orbit of a satellite from the center of the earth of a satellite and the distance of the orbit of a satellite from the center of the earth and orbital velocity play a main role in the stability of a satellite. Therefore, gravity serves as a centripetal force and keeps the satellite in the orbit. To place a satellite in a desired orbit, they are launched from the Earth using rockets. In order to remain in an orbit, a satellite should have a velocity of 7.78 km per second. If an object is launched from the Earth's surface with a velocity of 11.2 km per second, it will escape from the Earth's gravitational field and will not return to Earth. Orbital velocity of a satellite is under G and escape velocity is under 2G. Where r is the radius of the earth, orbital velocity, where r is the radius of the earth, orbital velocity, where r is the radius of the radius of the earth, orbital velocity and escape velocity is independent of angle of projection. Escape velocity is equal to 2 times of orbital velocity or 1.4 times of orbital velocity. Time period of a satellite as the time taken by it to complete one revolution around the earth. If the time period of a satellite is 24 hours, it is synchronous with the Earth's rotation about to an orbit. Such a satellite always stays at the same point when seen from the Earth and is called geostationary satellite. Such satellite orbit around the Earth at a distance of about 36,000 km from the surface of the Earth. Kepler's law of planetary motion. First, the orbit of a planet is an ellipse, an oval-like shape with two foci. with the sun at one of the poles. Second, the line joining the and planet and the sun shifts equal area in equal interval of time. Third, the square of the time period by a planet to the orbit. Thus, the sun is direct orbit to the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the average distance between them. That is, t square is proportional to rt, or t is proportional to r to the power 3 by t, where r stands distance from the sun.